Yo, Win Christine, what's going on? It is Saturday morning. It is March 20th, 2021. Here is the market recap for the week. Before we kick this off, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you get access to all of the future content produced by Sincerely Yours, Extro. All right, so let's go ahead and check out what the market did for this week. Let's look right at the S&P. S&P closed at 39,1310. That's not too bad. Remember, my mark was 4,000, and we got fairly close, and we started to back off. So I'm actually a very cautious bull at this point. I've given the warning since about middle February for the market to start to chill out, and it's kind of been wavering back and forth, and that's making me just a little bit nervous. So I'm going to actually pull myself back, and I've already put myself in positions to take advantage of this pending chop. So looking at the market, like I said, 39.13.10 is where it closed at. The high was 39.83.87. Taking a look at things now, this is the level that we're going to continue to watch here. This 3,800 level. First level is around 39 because that's where the recent high was made in the past, and it kind of slid through there. So we're going to try to take a look there. So if it gets there, we're going to see if it starts to slide lower. We're easily going to that 38 level. But if not, I think it'll try to hang around at 39. So that is my analysis for the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell. I'm going to actually switch it up. Usually I do IWM. I'm going to actually look at the Russell Index, which is RUT. This is RUT, closed at 2287.55. We're going to average that up. Looking at things, we see quite a bit of volatility here above this 2100 level, and I anticipate for this to continue. We've got a nice move higher here, checked it out, and we went higher here. We might come back to this area, so I'm just being cautious. I still have a bullish target for the market, and I'm still looking for it to continue to move higher. But like I said, it is time for a pause, and that's fine. So don't forget to check me out every single week here. And don't forget to hit up stocks and bars. Do not forget to hit up Marathon Money. Every single week we give you picks there, all right? So until then, I want you to enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you next one, all right? Peace.